My dear students, I hope everyone is fine and well. So let's start with our mathematics class. Since we have already started with one chapter, right? That is chapter 7, factorization. Even we have completed some question from exercise 7A, right? So today we will do from question number 9. See what it is written here. Question number 9. 9a into 3a minus 5b minus 12a square into 3a minus 5b. So this is what given in question number 9, right? We are to factorize this. So how to factorize this? See. So already I explained about what is factors, what is factorization, right? So you know it. So here what are the common things, common elements are there in both the terms. So this is one term and this is one term, okay? So inside the bracket there is another two term, but we will take full this portion as a one term and this portion will be another term, okay? So what are the common values? See, some students are asking me, sir, without breaking these numbers, you can write directly common number we can take. Yeah, we can do it, right? So I'm just explaining little bit with one more step so that some students can understand how I have taken some common elements, right? How I have taken some common numbers. So that is why I have written one extra line. That is by breaking this number 9. If you factorize 9, then it will be 3 3s are 9. Then again, if you factorize 12, you will get 3 4s are 12, 2 2s are 4. So if you factorize, then you will find out like what are the common elements are there, and it will be easy for you to take the common elements from both the term or for 2 or 3 terms, right? So that's why I have written one extra line. I can also write a shortcut, okay? So there is like 3a minus 5b, 3a minus 5b. You can see in both the term it is available, so you can write 3a minus 5b, okay? So which is common in both the term. And again another thing is that here see 9, if you factorize it, it will be 3 3s are 9. So 2 3s are here. Again here you can see 3 4s are 12. So that means you can easily understand that this 12, if you factorize, then you will see there will be 1 3 and 2 2, right? 2 will be 2 times and 3 will be there. So 1 3 will be there, and here from 3 3 3s are 9, there will be 2 3, right? So we can take 1 3 common, and here see 1a is there, here a square. That means you can take 1a from both the side, because here only we have 1a out of the bracket and here we have a square. So we can take 1a from both the side. So these are the common element we have taken. Now what are the uncommon values? That is 3 here, 3 3s are 9. We have taken only 1 3, so that means 1 3 is left, okay? So that 3 will be uncommon value, and rest we have already taken common, so we will not write inside the bracket. Then minus see 12a square. So 12a square, 3 4s are 12, right? So 3 we have already taken common, so 4 is left, 4, and here a square, that means a is 2 times, so already 1 time we have taken common, so left with only 1a, okay? So this is the answer, okay? There is 3a and then 3a minus 5b, okay, and another bracket 3a minus 4a. So this is the solution for question number 9. I hope that you have understood. You try to understand nicely. If you don't understand in any line or any step, you can ask me. Clear? Now question number 10, you can see what it is here. X plus 5 minus 4 into x plus 5. See, here is one term and here is one term. So in both the term, what are the common element? Which value seems to be equal, or it seems to be common in both the sides, okay? So here see x plus 5, here also we have x plus 5, but in this first term x plus 5 to the power square, that means x plus 5 is multiplied 2 times, that is x plus 5 into x plus 5. You can write like this also. So see, here we have 2 times and here we have 1 time, so that means we can take 1 time as a common, because that side we have only maximum 1 time, right? So we can take only 1 time as a common, that is x plus 5. So the rest uncommon value, that is means x plus 5, here we have 2 times, so 1 time is left. That 1 time we will write inside the bracket, that is x plus 5, okay? Then minus we have left with what? 4, that is not common in both the terms, so we will write inside the bracket, that is minus 4. Clear? Now in the next step, what you do here, x plus 5, whatever it is there in the first bracket, you can write it, and the next bracket, see x plus 5, you just remove this bracket, so it will be x plus 5 minus 4, okay? So 5 minus 4, you can subtract it, right? So in the next step, what you will write, x plus 5 minus 4, it will be what? 1, okay? So this is the solution of question number 10. Clear? Now we will do question number what? 12, okay? So 12, what it is there? 2a plus 6b minus 3, what it is there? 3a plus 3b, okay? A plus 3b whole in square. So this is the question you can see from here. Question number 12. See what it is here. If you don't understand in any line or any step, you can ask me. So here you can see Here in the first two term there is no bracket, but minus 3a plus thrice b into 3a plus thrice b whole in square. So in the third term you can see there is a bracket, okay, that is after 3 into, right? So what you will do here, we cannot take common in from three terms. What you will take common? Nothing is common in all three terms. So what you will do, from the first two term we will try to find out the common value. What will be the common from first two term? A and B are not common, right? But this 2 and 6, this number can be common, like 2 ones are 2, it will be factorized 2 ones are 2, and here 2 3s are 6. So that means if you factorize 6, then you will get 2 into 3. So that means we can take 2 from these two term, right? We can take 2 common from these two term. We can take 2 as a common from these two term. When you take 2 as a common from these two term, we are left with here what? A plus, and here 2 into 3. So I am doing shortcut, okay? Till question number 7 or 8 I have written it a little bit elaborately, right, with by expanding these numbers, and then in the next step I have done. So you have to, now I will do little bit shortcut. You have to understand that how I have taken here common 3. So here 6, if you factorize, see, suppose here 2 into 3, okay, 2 into 3, it will be 2 3 is 6. So here it will be what? 3, okay. So that means 3 is not common here, okay. So that will be a 2a plus thrice b minus 3 inside the bracket a plus thrice b whole in square. Clear? So in the next step you can see a plus thrice b is there in both the term. Now after taking common, see, from the first two term we have taken common 2, then inside the bracket we have written all uncommon value, that is a plus thrice b minus 3 into a plus thrice b. See, now after taking common you can see in the both, now it became two term, okay. Here it is one term and here it is one term, and in both the term you can see now one more thing is common, that is a plus thrice b, a plus thrice b. See, here also we have a plus thrice b, here also we have a plus thrice b. So that means, but here in the first term we have only one time, that is power 1, and here it is the power of 2, that means here 2 times a plus thrice b is there. So we will take only the one which have a minimum one, right, a plus thrice b. So that means a plus thrice b will be common, okay. So inside the bracket, now in the another bracket we will write all uncommon value, that is here 2 is not common, so we will write 2 minus 3 inside the bracket, again we will write a plus thrice b, then we will give what? Curly bracket, okay. So this is, that means what, here a plus thrice b 2 time, I already said in the last question. So here it is 2 time, here it is 1 time, so we have taken 1 time as a common, so we are left with one more time here, right? So that we will write inside the third bracket, okay. Now in the next step what you will do, a plus thrice b, this one as it is, what it is written, okay, then 2 minus, here you just remove the bracket, this one again. So when you remove the bracket, so this minus sign will function with this bracket values, okay, minus plus minus 3 into a